Today's show is about friends liking friends.
Here you go, Elliot.
Thanks, Socks. One box left.
Careful! I can't look!
There. Finished.
Terrific! Tremendous! Wonderful! The tallest tower in the world, Elliot! And we built it all by ourselves! Hooray! Huh?
What was that?
I don't know!
Oh, no! Our tower!
What was that?
Elliot, Socks, pardon me.
Lionel, did you make that noise?
Yes, I'm afraid I did. I knew I shouldn't have gulped my lunch. Oh.
You mean it gave you...
Correct. A king-size case of the roaring hiccups. Uh-oh. Here comes another one. Oh, forgive me. There's nothing I can do. What's that pile of boxes for?
It was the world's largest box tower.
Never mind. It was an accident. Right, Socks?
Well, right.
Why don't you hold your nose and stand on one foot? That always stops my hiccups.
I'll try. Let's see. Hand on nose and stand on one foot. I think it's worked, yes! Yes, I'm fine. Thank you, Socks. Elliot?
Yay!
Now then, let me help you put that tower of yours back together.
Okay, Lionel, throw me a box.
Coming up.
Hey, watch it! Thanks!
Whoa!
Amazing!
There.
Ta-da!
What do you think?
Amazing! It's as good as ever!
Hooray!
Oh. Remember how I said I was fine?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm not after all.
Oh, no!
Oh, I'm sorry.
We know.
Oh, I hate the roaring hiccups. I wish they'd go away.
Ah.
I've got an idea. Pat your chest and jump up and down. That's what I always do.
I might as well try. Well. I think that's done it. I don't feel a hiccup anywhere.
Thank goodness!
This time we'll get your tower back up and keep it up.
Yay!
Excellent.
You can say that again.
Oh, that one surprised me. Oh, just when I thought I was better. Oh.
Aww.
I wouldn't blame you if you never wanted to be friends with me ever again. Look what I've done.
You couldn't help it, Lionel. Lions get roaring hiccups sometimes. That's the way they are.
We'll always be friends with you. Hiccups won't change that.
Promise?
Cross our hearts.
Come on, moose hug. Hang on, Socks. Here we go again.
Oh, no!
My hiccups. They're gone.
Really?
Really? You must have hugged them right out of me.
Amazing!
Well, what are we waiting for? We've got a tower to build.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Oh, no.
Oh, yes! Now I've got the hiccups. Too much cheering, I guess. What'll I do? Where will I go?
You'll stay right here.
You're our friend. We don't want you to go away.
Monkeys get hiccups when they cheer too much. That's just the way they are.
But we'll never get our tower built.
There's only one thing we can do.
To make those hiccups go away,
Moose hug!